This Tech tutorial tips here, and today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make use of these 3D themes on your computer. So let's get started. Now guys, this is the default themes that always come with Windows 10, and I'm making use of Windows 10 Education Pro. And now you want to make use of 3D themes on your computer. 3D themes comes with different animation effects. And now I'm going to show you how I get 3D themes, and there will be a link in the description below where you can download the 3D themes I make use on my computer desktop background. Now the 3D themes is downloaded in my computer. This is it here. Then when you want to install it, let me drag it to the desktop. This is it. I've already moved it to the desktop. So you open it. When you open it, you can see open. Now unpacked. Now it's already installed. It's so easily to install 3D themes on your computer. So now click on the 3D. Now it's already displayed on your computer desktop background. On my next video, I will be showing you how to change your corrupted flash drive letter on your computer. I hope this video will help you a lot. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And if you don't
Subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to share.